In this series of video tutorial, we are going to talk about raster data symbology. So first of all, we need to know what is raster data. So we will talk about three different type of raster data. One is with few discrete values, and next one is digital elevation model, and third one is a multi-band raster. So you need to download all this data. So this is the first part of this series. So in this part of video, we will talk about how to apply symbol to raster data which has few discrete values. So this is the third one, is the data we are going to use, and this is downloaded from global land cover data, and it is clipped to the extent of Nepal. So let us see the characteristics of this data. So this is the original file. It contains the data for whole the world, and I have clipped the data which we saw in the last part, and these are the properties of this raster data. It is a single band raster data, and the cell size is approximately 0.003 degree, and it is a geographic coordinate system, and data type is byte. So it can contain values from 0 to 255, but it has 23 discrete values, and its width is 3960 by 1800. So we are going to color it according to the values, and this is recommended colors by the ESA which provided the data. So if the value is 11, we'll use these colors combinations. So let us start. So I open the QGIS, and I have already downloaded the data, and it is inside the GIS exercise. So it is under this exercise 04 raster, and we have this land cover.diff. So we can drag and drop, and the land cover is displayed. So in this tutorial I will also teach how to clip this data to the extent of a single state. So from the previous video, we can we can add this province 07. This one is geographic coordinate system, and this one is UTM. So we are going to use UTM, and this is the state. So now we can see that this is boundary of the state. So now we will clip this raster data to the extent of this boundary. So we use the raster menu and extraction and there are two ways to clip the data. If we clip by extent, it will be clipped like this, and if we clip by mask layer, then it will be exactly same shape as this polygon. So let us use click raster by mask layer. So input layer is the land cover and mask layer is this one. We are not going to change the CRS. So everything as remaining the default. Now we will try to change the file name. So it will be, we will use diff file and clip it to land cover clip. So now it will be clipped to this polygon. Now if we remove this, we can see that the data is clipped to the extent of the boundary of the polygon. Now we will use the symbols as recommended in this Excel file. So if it is 11, then we put this color. So let us see, double click this layer and Symbology, it is currently single band gray, so the minimum value will be black and the maximum value will be white. But we want to use discrete colors, so we use single band pseudo color. So automatically it shows all the values from 11 to 220. So otherwise we can use paletted unique values instead of single value, single band pseudo color. So if we classify this, then we can get exactly all the unique value. So we should use this paletted unique values only when the number of values are very small. Otherwise, it may create a problem. So if we use this, then the color will be changed like this. So let us change the color each, like 11, double click this and we put the values as described here. So 170, 240 and 240. 170, 240 and 240. Okay. So similarly we put 14, like 255, 255 and 100. 255, 255 and okay. So in the same way we can change all the colors and we will get the final map with better symbology. So I'll not repeat all the symbolization from 20 to 220, so you can just repeat this. Okay.